suffers serious brain injuries in a car accident. He sues his parents. He is now 9, he is permanently disabled, and he won the lawsuit against a car seat manufacturer, really against his parents, claiming the product was defective. Suing his parents in order to collect from their auto insurance company. So is this case unusual, or does it happen a lot? We put that question to our next guest, personal injury lawyer Andrew Smiley. Okay. The kid is 3. His parents are in a car accident, and they support his lawsuit against the insurance company, claiming that they themselves, the parents, improperly put the car seat into the car, therefore the insurance company should pay. It doesn't sound right. Why is it?
Well, it sounds certainly like it's a good headline. You have a little 3-year-old going into court and fighting it out with his parents, but in reality, that's not what's happening here. You have a very badly injured child that's going to need lifelong care to take care of his injuries and need the money for it. So what you do as an attorney, a good attorney, is you look to all possible avenues to collect that compensation.
But is it something that is legal? This law in Minnesota was created, in essence, so that you could go after manufacturers of defective car seats. What this little boy and his parents did was they said, because it's like if I go and I strap my kid into a car and I don't use that strap properly, I then say, well, it's not my fault. I want somebody to pay for the mistake I made, so I'm going to go to the insurance company. Isn't that exactly what they've done? What's
happened here is the boy is bringing a claim through his grandmother, because a 3-year-old can't actually bring a lawsuit. You have to be 18 to bring a lawsuit. So the grandmother acting on his behalf, it's a friendly situation. The parents are obviously coordinating it to bring a claim because possibly that seat was not installed properly.
But they're the ones who installed it.
But the kid should not be penalized for it. In other words, this 3-year-old should not be penalized for it.
Other people who pay their insurance premiums have to pay, and certainly the child is in a difficult situation. The parents will have a lot of bills, but why should other people have to pay for them not putting a car seat in properly?
Nobody else is paying. They're paying themselves. They paid premiums for their own insurance policy. They had a $100,000 insurance policy that I'm sure they paid their car premiums like we all do for many years, and all they're saying to their insurance company is, we paid you the premiums, our child was severely injured, please give us that money so we can put it to use. The insurance company said no. They cited a law, so they had to be challenged, and the family challenged them, and they used the system properly in this case.
Now, the insurance companies claim that they believe this sort of unleashes an avalanche of claims.
Right.
That because people will see that these parents did something incorrect, they were able to then sue. In essence, they're suing themselves,
right,
and then have the insurance company pay for it.
Right.
Everybody else who does something, stupid can turn around and get somebody to pay for their mistake.
Well, I don't think it's going to open up the floodgates. The reality is, if a little child gets badly injured and his parents are at fault, the little child should be able to get the compensation and be taken care of. And again, it's each individual's own insurance policy. It doesn't affect anybody else, and each case will be dealt with on a fact-by-fact basis. If there's a badly injured child, you obviously want to make sure that child's taken care of.
You sound like a very good attorney.
I do my best.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us, Andrew Smiley.
Thank you.